When it comes to preparing your orders for shipment, generating a professional and accurate license plate label is crucial. License plates help to organize and keep track of items, pallets, and shipments. With Skublox, you can easily create PDF or ZPL license plate labels with just a few clicks. Here's how it works. When your order is completely sorted and ready to ship, you can generate a PDF or ZPL license plate label. The order slot will be automatically emptied, and the activity log will be updated. Use the drop-down on the right to filter the activity page by license plates. Next, you can go to the Preferences menu to configure your printing settings. Choose your barcode kind, label stock, file format, and printer resolution to get the best printing results. Click Print, and a PDF file will be generated with your license plates.